everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off the schedule turn off your phone. That means sometimes your phone may turn off automatically. Now I'll show you how to stop it. There can be three factors. The first one is if you just go to the settings, then you will get a option device care. So if you don't find the device care option, you have to just go to the system and you have to go to the schedule, power on or off, and restart. Just if there is any option turn on, you have to turn off this. For this option, the device can sometimes automatically turn off or restart, so you have to turn off the option if there is any. So after that, the second mode is there can be safe mode updated sometimes automatically. So if there is anything like safe mode written on your screen, then you can just restart your phone. That's the safest option. And the third option is if some of the application is making any problem that may cause the auto shutdown or restart your phone. So let's say this is the application that is causing the problem. You have to tap and hold the application, then go to the app info, then you can just uninstall it if you want, then reinstall it. And another thing you can do, you can go to the storage and cache option and you can easily clear the cache. So by doing these three options, obviously you will get the solution. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.